Fine. Fine.
Fine. Hey.
Hey. Hi, Mommy.
Don't touch it.
Hi, Mommy.
Mommy's not in there. It's just a movie.
It's me. It's me. It's me, Grandpa.
See the face, Savannah. Show me the face. Do the face. Oh, what an ugly face. What an ugly face. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to get too ugly. Eric, what are you doing, Eric?
Fine.
You're doing fine. We're going to make your pumpkins tonight.
No, I don't want mine this time. See, that's mine. I want my jack-o'-lantern first.
There's Eric's.
That's mine.
Go out there and stand by him.
Huh?
Go stand by your jack-o'-lantern.
You're mine?
Yeah.
My jack-o'-lantern.
Not right in front of it. Get on the side of it. Get on the side of your jack-o'-lantern. Eric, you stand on the side and you stand on that side. No, no, no. Come here. This is your jack-o'-lantern. Come here. Right here. You stand by your jack-o'-lantern, and now you go stand by yours. There.
This is me, Grandpa.
Yeah.
This is me.
That's Eric.
This is me. Savannah.
There's Savannah. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.